Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be just doing a quick natural beat. I'll be showing you guys all the products in the video as shown. I'm just going to start off with my MAC Prep and Prime. This is the skin primer. I really love it. Now I'm going to go in using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This really gives me like a natural finish, so that's why I chose to go with this one. And I'm just going to be using my Ulta, I believe, foundation brush just to pat that in and blend it all in well. So in between each layer, I am going to be setting my foundation and concealer. I'm using the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray here. I'll be using a different one at the end, but I do like to go ahead and set my face in between just so that my makeup can last a little bit longer. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer to set my under eyes, and this is like the darker tone that I have, and then I'm going to go in the middle and use a Tarte concealer, which is just a little bit lighter. You guys will see here. And don't mind the concealer underneath my eyebrows. Like, I picked up the wrong color as I was doing my makeup, but I was so far in that I was just like, forget it, I'm going to keep going. But I'll try to clean it up at the end with some foundation. So I am using a brush just to kind of set that concealer in and spread it out. So I typically like to use my brush on the outside, and then once it gets like right underneath the eyelid, I like to use a sponge. This is just my method. This is what I do. You are free to do what makes you comfortable, but this is what I'm doing here. I also use that concealer right over my eyelids just as a base for whatever eyeshadow I'm going to use. Okay, so now that our concealer is on, I'm just going to go ahead and set it with some setting powder. I am using the Morphe Banana. It's not the Banana Rich, sorry. I'm using the Morphe in the color Banana. And then I'm also going to use one that I just picked up from the hair store. I like to use both of them. Don't ask me why. It's just a personal choice or something I came up with. It just makes me feel a lot better, look a lot better. This is the one from the hair store. So yeah, those are my two setting powders. Okay, for my eyeshadow, I am using a Morphe Mini palette. Please don't kill me, guys. I don't know the number on this one, but I am just using one color. I'm trying to keep that color as normal, or sorry, the exact color as my skin tone almost, just to give more of a natural look. And I do have hyper pigmentation on my eyelids, so I'm just trying to keep that natural color there. For my contour, I'm not going to do much, just a small little contour, but this is the palette that I use. It's the Black Radiance contour palette. I got it from Walmart, y'all. This is like one of the best powder contours I've ever used. I highly suggest it for my darker tone skin people. Definitely go out and get this from Walmart. Can't remember the price, but I believe it was under 10 bucks, but this is a must-have. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you like this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if there's any products you recommend I try, or if there's any video or tutorials you'd like to see me do. Until next time, stay blessed. See you guys later.